So right now I am just going to dump the ice cream into the blender. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and pour that ice right into. Now I'm going to take the crushed graham crackers and just pour some of it in, but leaving a little bit of extra crackers for the end. Next I'm going to add the 5 Rolos in and go ahead and use some chocolate syrup. And I'm just going to pour just a little bit, not too much in there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put the lid on. And now I'm just going to put the blender thing onto the blender, and I'm just going to blend it. While I was blending, I noticed that it was a little thicker, so I decided to add some milk to make it a little creamier. And then it splashed up and I started laughing. Now I'm just going to pour the Blizzard into the mason jar. And then I'm going to go ahead and get some Ready Whip and put that right on there. Now I'm going to take those graham crackers and just sprinkle some of it on the top. And then we're going to go back in with the chocolate and just drizzle a little over the top. And then you just stick the straw in and you're all done. This was a really delicious drink, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please hang around. I'll see you